Hi. Hey, when we're here, bike check. Starting off right here, got the Saudio seat. Loving it. Nice and squishy. Nice. We got the Saudio bars. Sick. And we got this this stem. It's a fit stem. Working our way down here, we got this prototype. Okay. And then we got this fundamental fork. Nice. Keep this clearance on this bitch. What you know about that? Probably nothing. We got them Saudio pegs on lock. And then front wheel, we got an MTX 33 26-inch rim.
Shut the fuck up.
We got the Demolition Mary Kate hub. Keeping my shit strong. Demo crank arms, 165 all day. Same rim in the back. FPM hub guard, resist back hub. What you know about that? Then we got that Tree Light sprocket, 30 tooth.
Lock ring.
And lock ring is Saudio, never slips. And then we got that KMC cool chain. Pedals, we got the Prima pedals, and we got some, love these straps, riding for 4 years, pretty nice. Family straps, never tore. Okay, when we're here, bike check. Keeping it fresh.
You know what's good?
You know what's good. Do a trick.
I'm on that moving tripod shit.
They say fuck a tripping shot.